I'm Doug Straharczyk. I'm the CEO for AQR International, and more importantly, together with Professors John Perry and Peter Clough, I'm the co-developer of the mental toughness concept and the MTQ Plus psychometric measure. These both represent major advances in people, team and organisational development, and they both present an opportunity for practitioners to elevate their practice. Now, there are some key things about the concept. In the last 10 years or so, we have learnt such a great deal about the concept that it really can be described as innovative and leading edge. There are now over 1,000 research papers that support the concept and the measures. Mental toughness itself is a personality trait which describes the mental responses we make to events. And that's significant because most of the time we try to help people to understand behaviour and change behaviour. But this is a more fundamental aspect of our personality and significantly impacts on our behaviour. So this genuinely does represent an opportunity to be able to dig deeper and understand individuals, teams and organisations at a much deeper level. The concept itself consists of 8 independent factors. Research supports that, and the significance of that is that there are over 40,000 combinations of profile. That puts the concept and the measure and the whole approach into a different league when it comes to understanding people and teams. So we've moved well away from the idea of labelling or typing and clustering people into groups. This is genuinely bringing the opportunity to introduce customization into the work of practitioners, which is of course the holy grail of development. But more than that, the psychometric measure, the MTQ Plus, is a normative measure, and this brings, for the first time in this area of mental approach, it brings the opportunity for a data-based approach to development. But also, because it is such a fundamentally important concept and applies to leadership development, organisational development, team development and individual development, brings the opportunity for a systemic approach to development. In other words, you don't have to develop team working in one way, individual development in another. It underpins all of those areas. So I will be running a series of webinars, and I'll be very happy, I'll be delighted if you were to join me and learn more about this truly most important concept.